Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're excited to take a look at the Wacom One Creative Pen Display. It's 1920 by 1080 full HD. Here's some more details on the back. You can pause the video anytime and take a look. It has 72% NTSC color, a 19-inch stand, and battery-free pen. It works with Mac, PC, and some Android devices. Those details will be in the description below. So now we're going to unbox the Wacom One tablet. It's 3 steps. You take it out of the box, you plug it in the computer, you install the driver, and you're ready to go. Okay, I'm taking the Wacom One tablet out of the cover now, and there you go. It's got a matte display, so it doesn't have those hard, shiny surfaces. And it's 13.3 inches. It has a large bezel, so you can rest your hand when you're drawing, and that's what it's for. Going further inside the box, has all the connectors and everything. So here's the power adapter, HDMI cable, and the Wacom One display information packet, and then they even have the pen that's batteryless wrapped up. So here's all the parts and pieces. Like I mentioned, this is all the connective hardware right here for the tablet. You have your USB, your HDMIs, your power right here, and then the pen. Here's the batteryless pen. It has the button right here, and the tip is interchangeable. And that's pretty much it for this device here. It also has an incline. You can do it up to 16 or 19% grade, and these easily flip out for that. So they just flip out like that, and then you can have it set up at an angle, easier drawing situation here. So this works on Mac and PC and some Android devices. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.